This is item 11816 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have an AMFEC 2-3K cart lift. Features all stainless steel construction. Mounted on a portable base. It also has a lock to keep it stationary. This also comes with a 3 horsepower drive motor up top here. It has 2 different dump height settings. It has 2 dump height settings, and currently it's set at 84 inches, and it's all powered by 220 volts 3-phase. This also has a 9.6 full load amps rating. So now we'll give you a demonstration. And we'll bring it back down for you. And again, this is item number 11816 with M&M Equipment Corp.